if we want to identify whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, first of all, we can think about some random numbers to check whether our concept works or not. So for that reason, let's say I am choosing some random numbers which are not divisible by 3. Let's say 13 or 16. Now, if I simply divide 13 with respect to 3, let's see what we got. 3 into 4 is 12. So we are getting 1 as the remainder. Now, in these cases, we don't need to worry about this section. We need to worry about only this section, the remainder section. All right. So we can understand that if we divide a number with respect to 3 and if we get the remainder as 1, we can say that the number is not divisible by 3. All right. So now let's check about this number 16. All right. Now if I simply divide 16 with respect to 3 into 5, 15. Here I am also getting 1 as the remainder. So I can also say that 16 is not divisible by 3. Why is that? Because the remainder is 1. All right. Now let's think about some different numbers which are divisible by 3. Let's see 15 and 9. Now if I divide 15 with respect to 3, 3 into 5 is 15. And for that reason, we are getting the remainder as 0. Now for this part, 9. We know 3 into 3 is 9, and here we are also getting 0 as the remainder. So from this concept, we can pretty much say that if we get any number, we have to divide that number with respect to 3. And if the remainder becomes 0, then that number is divisible by 3. But if that doesn't happen, then we can simply say that that number is not divisible by 3. All right. Now, if I simply want to code that out, first of all, I need to declare a variable, let's say integer variable, and then I need to take the variable from the user, and then I need to check the condition. Now, if my variable, after getting the variable's value from the user, I'm gonna simply divide that variable with respect to 3, and if the outcome, if the remainder becomes 0, then I can say that the number is divisible by 3. All right. But if that doesn't happen, then I can pretty much say that the number, is not divisible by 3. Like this. Now let's check our program. For example, let me provide 356. 356 is not divisible by 3. Yes, that's accurate. Now let's see 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So that's it. By using this concept, we can understand whether a number is divisible by 3 or not. And this concept is similar to other variables also. Let's say if we want to find whether a number is divisible by 5 or 2 or 9 or 7 or something like that, we can apply this same concept there as well. And don't worry about the source code, because I'm gonna provide source code in the description box anyway. Now if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to this channel, because I'm gonna provide this type of content regularly. I hope so. And if you want to follow me, then you can do that. I'm gonna provide the link of my Facebook, GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram account in this video's description box. Thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.